Hey, on this video, I will show you how to go through the ChatGPT and use its latest internet browsing capacity. So first it does ChatGPT, then you go to the GPT form, which is latest version. If you are a premium subscriber, you will see this, and here this browser with Bing is back. Browsers with Bing was earlier before, but later on, because of some ineffectivity and complication throughout the ChatGPT, they have removed it. Now they have reintroduced it. So when you select browser Bing, after that you just go and search. Right. Sure. So this is how it is browsing. You can see it's looking for throughout the different journals and trying to figure out actually which is recent and what is relevant and what. So you can see. Let's try. Can you? Let's see and check if this capacity is. No, it's not written. So this is how you browse it. Thank you. I'll see you later on.